start off by doing this, by putting all the little doors and windows into these pieces. So I haven't even taken them off the spurs. Be easier to do it that way. Hey guys and gals, so this is a little kit that I put together. It's a little signal tower. You can see how small it is. I got this during a liquidation sale and paid only $3 for this. I haven't painted it, just kind of glued it together so far. So that was what it was, item number 2840. That was during a liquidation sale. One of my favorite hobby shops closed its doors back in 2023. And I was able to pick up a number of really awesome model railroad stuff for very much pennies on the dollar. I think this kit normally went for about almost $30. And I got it for $3, and it's gonna look nice in our new layout. Hey guys and gals, here's a couple more things I made with the 3D printer. I made some junk loads for a junkyard, scrapyard. I also made, this almost looks like a barn, but I'm gonna actually use this part of my little scrap junkyard. It's a little building, really kind of cool. Yes, it has to be decorated up, but did that on my 3D printer, and I did these junk loads as well on my 3D printer. These will go into gondolas. Of course, we have to paint them up, rust them up, but let's see if we can kind of focus in on them. Not bad, hey? Not bad at all. So this is for a longer style one, and this is for a shorter style one. But yeah, really kind of cool. Here I have some more of, these are the leveling bolts that you put on the corners. So as you can see, I just made these. Now some of them are a little close to the edge, like that there. Believe it or not, I've had one or two crack because it's a little close to the edge. So really, the better it's in the center. And all I'm using here is, this is a post that you buy in the decking department of any lumber yard. And it's meant for doing railing posts. I just use some normal wood glue. Yep, that's it. Yeah, here, these are the T-nuts. I think I bought a whole bag of them for like $8 or something. 120 of them in there. Then after I pre-drill the hole, then I'll put it into my miter saw here. We're just gonna make a cross cut. There's a shadow line here, and it shows us how much we need to move it over. And literally clamps down like this to make sure that it is literally in there. It's not going to move. And then when you're ready to cut it, you just pull this down, you pull that trigger, and you just cut, and that's it. Putting in these little side things, so you can see they're in there. I'm using my nail gun, so I'm marking the nail gun here to shoot. That's why I put them down low, so they still go in there. So now I don't have to worry about clamping this piece. The nail gun is gonna do the clamping for us. So yep. Okay, I finally got the 4 grommets in the side of this one. I did have a crack on that, but I fixed it for now. This will be fine. Good enough to put plywood on this. This is the what they call KOD8E decoder. So this is what it shows you. And the actual decoder here is in this package here. I have to install it, but haven't had the opportunity to do that yet. They also sent in the package some of this, what they call Kalon tape as well. So we need that to actually install the decoder. So we got that as well. Yeah, this little system here, this is pretty much our DCC system right there with our controller, and then I have my, where is it, programming track here off to the side. You can see right here I've been doing programming this little Bachmann trolley. So I got that, and I have it, so they suggested through their customer support or tech support that I put out a pretty long piece of programming track. So I did. And then this is the actual decoder from Bachmann, because that's a Bachmann trolley. So I could basically set it up. So yeah, there's my new decoder in there for my, this for my Kato Silver Zephyr. So Silver Zephyr, they suggest even at Kato USA, the KODAE from TCS. That was, I think, $30 or $35 or something like that. Pretty decent price. So got that to install. We're going over a bunch of our plaster casting rocks. We got a lot of surface rocks here, and also creek bed rocks like these that go along the creek bed or riverbed. Also has some stratus rocks here. Hey guys and gals, picked up a bunch more track for doing that new triple switch yard. These are going to be prominently used a lot. We need some more of these, and this is the new turnout for the triple switch area. This one is called the Electric Y, and yeah, this is going to be the masterpiece. Are what we're going to be using for our power buses for our DCC. So we're going to have one for both our right and left hand main lines, or what they call the red and yellow main lines. So yeah, there is I don't know how many in total there are, but there's quite a few in here for running buses. So really what you do is you take your power feeders from the your main controller and you run them into here. You can also extend them to another bar going out the other end, and then you just run these going to your feeders. You can still use the T-trak connectors, but you can connect them straight into here as a bus bar. Here's the other one that came with it. So there's two of them, as you can see. Only one comes with the mounting hardware, and the screwdriver for both of them is in one package. So yeah, that's what they look like. These came out to $8 for two of them. So they're literally $4 a piece, and they're very, very nice. Look at, they're just screw mounted, and you just stick your wire in there.